Di ka mo ganyan-ganyan ba? Ship-ship na naman yan sila. Ayan, meron ng Ralph B dyan, may mixi pa dito. Ayan, atake kayo. Ba't hindi niyo ako sinip kay mom?
Shugla! Shugla! Shugla!
Mili! 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 Sana ba si Emilio?
Where's my duo, pare?
Okay, so since first time natin makita na duo format, yung PBB, ano kaya yung favorite moments nyo doon kasama ng ka-duo nyo?
But daw different answer sa market.
Yes, because there are some people here who travel from market.
Wow. Okay, for me naman, of course, my duo, Emilio Daes, Team Billy. You know, it's been very memorable for him, and I think the fact that this season was a collab season, maraming duos na form. I was just so thankful that I found a brother in him, kumbaga, lahat ng task na ginawa namin. So sobrang bond namin, sabay pa kaming lumabas sa bahay ni Kuya. So, ayun, together kami na-evict and together din kami nag-bond. So, I'm just happy na nabuo ang Team Millie. Yeah.
Ako naman, kung sino dito ang Team Shukla, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Isa si Ate Klang sa pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan na memory ko po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Kasi grabe yung ginawa ko sa kanya. Tumalong talaga ako ng pool.
Okay.
Para sa kanya, hanggang sa dinala ko siya sa outside world.
Okay.
Sinabi ko lang sa kanila, and I feel like okay akong ulit-ulitin yun dahil sobra ko po talagang minamahal si Ate Klang. Of course, Pamilya de Guzman, na nabuo lang sa loob ng bahay. Ayan. Kaya sobrang saya ko ng experience namin sa TV.
Okay.
Mom!
Mom? Mom! Walang blonde dito.
Okay, kung pipili kayo ng unforgettable moment kasama ng ka-duo nyo, what's that?
Ooh, unforgettable moment. Inside the house, I think, nung leader si Emilio, it was our last week in the house and nakumpleto namin yung task together. So that was very memorable for me. Kung napanood niyo po yun, that was before we got evicted and doon ko na-realize na competitive man si Emilio pero nakakita ko yung determination niya. Kaya Team Millie ako doon.
Okay.
Unforgettable siguro yung nakita ko yung crush ko.
Duos!
Sa duo.
Sabi, experience.
Sino ba yung crush mo, Shubi?
Wala ka nakikinig sa tanong ko. Duo nga.
Parang iba na yung tanong natin.
Ito namin yung kanina.
Okay.
Unforgettable moment with my duo. Siguro yung pinaka-last. Kasi naging team leader, weekly task leader kami ni Mom.
Okay.
And munti kami makulina doon.
Okay.
O sa ping-pong namin na kaya siguro memorable yun kasi first task yun with Mom.
Okay. So dahil sinabi nyo tatanong na dati sa market, ngayon meron akong bagong question. What is your message to each other?
Pati kami.
Meet the Shubi?
Yeah! Kasi si Shufi was complaining na natanong na daw sa market.
Oh, wow.
Wala tayo ng bago.
Sige. To Shubi, of course, as a fellow Kapuso, I'm just so proud of her. I mean, who wouldn't be proud of her? Diba guys, Team Shubi? Shubi and I really started almost at the same time. Nasa TikTok pa ako for U-page pa namin ang isa't isa. And seeing her bloom into the person she is, this beautiful woman, and I'm so happy you guys are all supporting her because you're supporting the right woman. Someone who has substance, eloquent, tall, dark, maganda! Diba?
Grabe naman, answer yan, Michael. Paano ko mahandaan yan?
Team Shubi ako! Let's go!
Ako team Mililig talaga ako. Isa po si Michael sa sobrang competitive sa bahay. Without his energy po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Grabe kasad siguro ang bahay ni Kuya.
Grabe.
Kaya really, from the bottom of my heart, as your fellow Kapuso, I'm really grateful for you. Kasi nasa loob ka ng bahay. I can't imagine the house without you. Grabe naman ba? Ang birthday naman ko naman sa Uy, yung mga pitoy dyan. Oo, mga. Pero totoo po talaga, isa po siya sa pinakamagaling na artista at tao, pinakamabuting tao na nakilala ko. And I'm just glad na fellow Kapuso po nandito po sa harapan ninyo. Winagaway go. Ano daw? Winagaway guy?
Winawagay guy.
I'm just grateful for you and siya talaga ang perfect example ng TDH!
Ay!
Top, check! Dark, check! Handsome! Oh!
Hindi haggard na handsome.
Handsome tayo! Tignan mo naman yun.
Thank you very much, Shubi and Michael. One last question from me, okay?